everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Daisy Bautista. I should have like a new intro because I always say that, but if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you guys don't miss any videos I upload. So if you guys are interested in what I'm going to be doing here, I'm going to be doing my signature bun. I would say this was a highly requested video, so if you guys want to see how I did this bun, then just keep on watching. So to start off, I'm gonna part my hair, which I just did right now, and I'm looking this way just because there's a mirror right here. But yeah, you just want to start off with a part in the middle. And yes, I need to redo my hair because my roots are growing again. So this was a highly requested video. This is why I'm gonna show you guys how I do my bun, just because if you guys have me on Instagram, I usually have my hair in a bun, because I don't like to do my hair every single day just because my hair is blonde and I don't want to damage more than it is, you know. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my bun, and everybody's requesting this video I mean, because if you guys have me on Instagram, you guys see my hair usually in a bun. But yeah, let's do this. So you always start in the middle. And I usually don't tend to straighten my bangs every day, because if I straighten it, it's just gonna break off and this part is gonna be short. So honestly, I don't care if it's not straight or nothing. But sometimes I'll get the blow dryer and I'll just blow dry it. Like, I'll get this, blow dry it, bring it out, blow dry it like that. So that's how I do it straight too. But I don't use a straightener, just because if I do a straightener every day right here in the front, then this is going to be super short, so I don't want that. So I'm trying to put no heat, just protect my hair, because I'm in the process of letting it grow out right now. So the things that you guys will need is, okay, let me talk about this. This right here is a scrunchie. So I've been using this right here, well, different ones, but these kind of scrunchies for like the longest already, just because it actually holds your hair. It doesn't fall as a regular rubber band by like the end of the day or in the middle of the day. Your ponytail's already halfway done. Well, this right here is really good just because it actually stays up, it doesn't move, it doesn't pull your hair. I just love it. You might think like, oh my god, putting a plastic rubber band on your hair is gonna pull, but not this right here. This right here is like your best friend, honestly, so you guys should get this. So I always leave my hair like, say a little bit like right here and right here. Sorry, I'm just looking this way because my mirror is right there and I don't have no mirror in front of me. And then I like to leave a little pieces like right here in the front. So only that much. Okay. So once I have the front ready, like my bangs and the side ones right here, so I'll just grab, honestly, this is super easy to do, but this was a highly requested video, that's why I'm doing this. So all you do is just grab your hair into a messy bun. It doesn't have to be perfect, remember, because it's just a messy bun. It's so hot, that's why I'm like, oh my god, running out of breath. And I usually don't brush my hair. Sometimes I do, and if I do, I always brush it like the ends and just work myself up, because you don't want to brush starting the roots, because then you're going to yank your hair. And then say if your hair was dirty, because eventually you're not supposed to wash your hair every day, I would spray this on. Okay, let me spray this on before I start with my roots. So what I would do, I'll use my Living Proof dry shampoo, and it looks like this. And then I would just put it on the roots, just everywhere on the roots. Because keep in mind, I do not wash my hair every single day. But I do use dry shampoos to keep my hair fresh and just smelling good and everything, you know? So what I do, I'll just like massage it into my roots. By the way, my hair is clean today, that's why I'm not gonna really put too much. But if your hair was dirty in this, like as in you're putting your hair, make sure to always have a dry shampoo before you put your bun, because you want your hair to be smelling good too. So let me do this again. Okay, so just grab your hair. Don't matter. And then what I do, I'll just twist it. Twist it, okay? And I'll get this just twice. Not done yet. And then you're gonna pull the hair just so your bun could look more thicker and it won't look like a small little bun. Honestly, it doesn't have to be perfect. My bun, I don't do it perfect. I just throw it up there and I'm done. But this is what I usually do. So if you have little hair sticking up here, just grab it and put it inside the rubber band, and keep in mind the rubber band is plastic, so it's gonna hold. And the front, I don't care if it's not straight or anything. Like, honestly, I don't care. So this is my signature bun, I would say, because if you guys see me, this is what my hair looks like most of the time during the week. So this is my bun. Super easy. What, like less than 5 minutes or less? Super easy. And if you guys don't like having this like messy, you guys can always straighten the part, but just keep in mind, if you straighten every single day this, you're just gonna have breakage and it's gonna fly and it's just gonna be short. So that's why I don't do that. I just keep it like this. So this is my bun. Easy, like a simple bun, messy but still cute, I would say. So if you guys are in a hurry, on the go, you guys just want your hair up, you guys could do this super easy bun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss any videos I upload here on my channel. So I'll see you guys till next time. Love you.